Very well, fuck you lucky. I just shitted myself. Goosey Lucy. Pig that goons to furries. Oh, I'm right here, Teach. Yeah. I should. Oh shit, bro! I just dropped my. Pencil. All right, let me just get it. Fat ass. Okay, P Diddy, Dick Jaden, sucking my dick. Furry 2.0. Nasty ass bitch. Fake ass Nemo. Weird ass shit. Goons defend boy. Tomato build ass. That's enough, my little femboys. I would not stand by bullying in this classroom. Bitch, you scared me so bad I almost shit myself, and I'm still gonna take a shit, right? Where the hell was I? Tomato build ass. Chicken that beats his chicken. Shit boy. Shit boy. Okay, class, turn to page 6 through 7 in your books, and we'll start reading, boys.